Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next one is called Collections.OrderedDict. It is categorized as easy. As you know, we have a concept of dictionary in Python, a list of keys and their related values. But there is also another possible form of it, which is available in Collections module. If you use OrderedDict from Collections module in Python, you are able to use your dictionary, but with your specific order. Alright, we are going to use it. Our task is to get, for example, n items in the input and price of each one, and then we should calculate the total value of all of them. For example, if we have two apple juices that each one costs 10, we should print apple juice space 20. Just as simple as that. Alright, let's run the code. Let's write our code. First of all, we should write down from collections import OrderedDict. Then I should get n from the input, so n is equal to input dot split. Then for every item I write down for example x or I in range of n. It means that you are writing a loop that should be executed n times. Every time we define a line, and our line is taken from the input. I write, for example, input dot split. We split it into a list. After that, after we got the line, we should separate it and split it into two groups. The last group, the last number after the space, is the item price. So I create, for example, item price is equal to line minus 1. It means the last item in our line, and I convert it to int because it's a number. Another thing is that the name is consisted of all items before the number. So I create, for example, item name is equal to space dot join line from beginning to -1. It means all items in the line except the last one should be joined together with spaces, and that would be our item name. Alright, very good. Then we got all of them. For every item we should add them to our ordered dictionary. I create a variable something like my ordered dict. It is empty in the beginning, it's just like an ordered dict, so it is equal to ordered dict. It is empty for now. For every item I should check whether it exists from before in our dictionary or not. So I check if item name in my ordered dict, then we should add the price to the existed price or value from before. So if item name exists in my order dict, I should write down my order dict of item name should be plus equal to item price. And if it's otherwise, it means it doesn't exist in our dictionary, we should add it. So we write my order dict of item name should be equal to item price. Very good. We got all of the inputs. Now we should print the output. Our output, we should use the for example, for x or for item or key. It's a better name. For key in my order dict, print first that key, and after that my order dict of that key. It means the price or the value of that key. Alright, let's run the code. We have an error here. Type error list object cannot be interpreted as integer. Let's check what was the problem. Oh, that's just an input. We should not split it. We should just write n is equal to input, and since it's an integer, we cast it to int. Let's run the code again. I think this time it should be okay. Alright, it looks fine. Let's submit the code, and all the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.